Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your True Wireless Sound Go2 earbuds with any Windows PC or laptop. First of all, before the pairing, just remember to charge your earbuds with this USB-C port for like 20 minutes and remember to disconnect them from other devices like your phone or, for example, tablet. So right now we have to open this charging case and then remove both earbuds. Grab them, keep them close, and as you can see, after a few moments the left earbud starts blinking, so it means that earbuds are in the pairing mode. We have to put them close to our PC and then we have to go for the settings. We have to go for the left side for the Bluetooth and devices, turn it on with this switcher and click to add device, and of course select Bluetooth device. Now just wait until our device pops on the list. Okay, as you can see, they appear right here as the audio device, so click on them once. We have to also this pin information, so click connect. And there it is. Right now, when we are successfully connected, at the end you can go for the sound settings and just check for the output and the input device. As you can see, we have to switch manually for the microphone. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.